everyone! In the previous video, I provided an outline for the class and explained what you can expect for each week. In this video, I wanted to provide a bit more detail specific to the week 1 activities. In our first introduction discussion forum, you'll actually be introducing the lesson prototype that you've created. And you'll want to make sure to address the bulleted prompts as far as presenting the problem you've identified and explaining why it's important that is addressed, identifying your target audience, stating the learning outcomes, and explaining the format in which you'll deliver your training. There are some other requirements for this prompt as well though. You'll want to make sure your video is 3 to 5 minutes. You'll want to include a text transcript or closed captioning. Keep in mind that if you upload your video to YouTube, YouTube offers a closed captioning tool. You'll just want to make sure to proofread to ensure that it's accurate. You'll also provide a 1-paragraph summary for one research article that you found most influential during your project creation. In the Alpha Test Resources discussion forum, we'll be exploring usability testing and alpha testing. So you'll be finding 3 scholarly peer-reviewed articles relevant to this topic and sharing a 1 to 2 paragraph summary for each of those 3 articles. For the assignment, the Alpha Test Planning Part 1, you'll be starting to engage in your planning for your alpha test and determining your collection methods. You will want to make sure that you're using the alpha testing template, which I've linked in the week 1 announcement. You can also find that template in the week 1 assignment prompt. I wanted to pull up that template just to walk through this. It's a really wonderful template that the college has designed for this class. You have all of the elements of an APA formatted paper, and then you'll be focusing on this first section, implementation and data collection. So in addition to reading through the assignment prompt, you want to make sure that you're reading this as well. Once you've identified your data collection methods and plan, you can highlight and remove this to type over it. This is what you will submit for your week 1 assignment. And then you'll continue to address the remaining elements in future weeks. So I hope you found this video helpful. Certainly if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm always happy to help.